Hey there, nice to see you again. I'm back in the snow in this video because I don't like the winter. I think it's so cold and I'm a cold-blooded person. It's kind of miserable to me and I just don't want to be here. Okay, it feels like something that I just have to endure somehow in order to get to the sunnier side. So I lock myself up in my house if I have to. I wear extra warm gloves and I try not to come outside, honestly. And I know that's how goal setting feels like sometimes, right? Who is excited about goal setting, right? It just feels like something that you have to endure, like the winter time. It's cold, it's dreary, it's not super fun. But guess what? It can be. My kids come out here and they roll in the snow and they play for hours and they make snowmen and it's so cool and it's so fun, right? This is how it's gonna be for us this year because we are starting on the right foot. So last video, I talked about how sometimes we get stuck in that spin. We feel like we're stuck in that snowdrift and we can't get out no matter what we've tried. And part of the reason is because we don't have our motivation in the right place. So one way to get motivated is to, number one, know that we're doing this not to gain more value or not to gain more value, but to see and discover the value that we already have. So just doing it for the fun of it, honestly, that's why we do goals, right? To just have more fun with life, to enjoy life more. So that's number one. The second mistake I see people make is whenever they're making goals, it's coming from the outside in and it's feeling really forced. Let me give you an example. For a weight loss client that I have, and for many people that I talk to, including myself, it's coming from the outside in. We feel like I should do this. I should eat better. I should exercise every day. I really need to get it together. I've got to stop eating this crappy food. Why do I keep doing this to myself? And we put limitations on ourselves, trying to force ourselves into this box that we want to be in. And it doesn't feel very motivating right there. Forcing ourselves into this box that we want to be in, and how motivating does that feel? Not. If I go to the store and I see new clothes and I tell myself, you ain't getting those clothes, you have tons of clothes in your house that you can't even wear because you're so fat. You know, whenever I talk to myself like that, disempowering, right? So we need to come from a place of empowerment and move from the inside out, and it needs to be something that comes from a want to place, not a have to, you must do this. Because how many of us want to be told what to do? Nobody, all right? We want to do it because we want to, and we want to feel like we have a choice and we're excited about it and we're having fun. So that's what we're going to learn in the Muster the Motivation Challenge. I encourage you to join me there. I'm going to take you through the goal setting process step by step. We'll figure out what goal you have. We'll talk about why you want it and really get the motivation internally. We'll talk about how to do it from the inside out, where you're coming from a place that you want to and you're excited. We'll have fun doing it, like building a snowman out here. We won't build a snowman though, but we will do other fun, cool things. And then we're going to create a plan from that place of empowerment and love that's going to drive you through the whole year. So this year's resolution is going to last way beyond January. I'm so excited for this challenge and what it's going to do for you. So go ahead, and underneath this video, I have a link for you to sign up for the Facebook group where the videos will be released every day. Each day of the challenge, we'll get a new video, and the handouts that go along with it. Those will be available for 24 hours, and then the next day, the next challenge will come up. Each day will take about 15 to 20 minutes of your time, which is well worth it for overcoming super challenges that have kept you in a spin, right? So each day, 15 to 20 minutes on those videos. We'll have participation in the group, just motivation, fun things, chatting with each other and encouraging each other, and I'll also be there to answer any questions that you might have and help you make that plan moving forward. If you want to go ahead and get this whole series forever, if you want to have this whole series forever, so that every time you make a goal, you can go back and do this process over and over again, I've created this challenge in a mini free course form. So it's still going to come to you on January 1st, and you'll get the videos every day, but you'll have access to the handouts where you can download the handouts. You can watch the videos as many times as you want to, and they're going to be there in that portal for you to go back to and reference anytime that you want. So go ahead and sign up for the challenge below, and you'll have access to that, to the videos there forever on that webpage. So invite your friends. We're going to have a lot of fun. Go ahead and do that now. Sign up for the Facebook group and sign up for that challenge, and we'll be rocking it in January. So I'll see you inside.